Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to power off or restart any of the Samsung S22 series phone. This is really useful if your phone needs a restart or you just need to turn it off. There are two ways to power off or restart your phone. The first way is to swipe down from the top of the screen. This will bring the notification menu. Now swipe down one more time and you should see this power option appear at the top. Tap on it and this will give you three options. The first option is power off. When tapping on this, it'll power off your phone. The second option is to restart. This will restart your phone. Now the second way of powering off or restarting your S22 phone is by holding down the volume down button and the standby button simultaneously until you see this menu. Now again from this menu, tap on power off to power it off or tap on restart to restart the phone. If you keep pressing the volume down and the standby button simultaneously, the phone will automatically restart. And that is how to restart or power off your Samsung S22 phone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.